Rotating graphs on Desmos might seem tricky at first, but don't worry, it's not that bad. Let's treat the graph as a large set of points. That will make our lives way easier. We can then treat the rotation of a graph as rotation of many points. Given that if we can rotate just one point, then we can rotate all of the points, and then we can rotate just the entire graph. Here we have a point xy, and then we rotate it by theta degrees, we'll get to point x final and y final. Now notice that the distance between the points and the origin is always the same, because when we're rotating, we kind of create a circle. I'm also writing angle alpha between point xy and the x-axis, just it'll come in handy. We can now write the final position as in terms of the distance r and the angles. And notice that we have to use both theta and alpha here. Now we can expand this using our trig identities. Notice that sine alpha is the same thing as just y over r, and cosine alpha is x over r. Using this, we can plug it back into the function to simplify. We get that x final is equal to x cosine theta minus y sine theta. And then we get that y final is equal to x sine theta plus y cosine theta. That's it. That's the equation that we needed. Replacing x and y using the equations that we found earlier, we can now rotate any graph. By the way, you can switch between radians and degrees by clicking the little wrench and changing the mode. Thanks for watching, my virtual friends.